What's going on, dickweeds? Try to make a little bit of a longer video today. More Christmas chocolate. Fucking rights. Gotta start the fucking day off right. It's pretty good stuff. Been smoking it all week. Anyway, be back in a minute. Got a 12-pack chilling in the fridge for tonight. Suck my cock and fuck off. Low sodium V8. Drink your fucking vegetables. Nothing like a fucking Cheese Whiz sandwich. Anyway, had to get supper ready. Got some fucking sausages cooking, some Italian Smokies. Those will be done shortly. Well, we start off with a wrap. You throw your Italian fucking smoky sausage on there. You load it up with some French's fucking mustard. The good kind, not the fucking cheap kind. Don't be cheap with that shit. You roll that fucking bitch up and you fucking cut it. You add some fucking cottage cheese. It's fucking good for you. So you fucking add a little extra. You pour some fucking chocolate milk into your Coca-Cola glass. That's what real fucking men do. You always wear your fucking chef's hat. You fry up some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes or whatever the fuck you got. You put them on the fucking plate and there's your fucking supper. And then you fucking taste it. It's pretty fucking good. I know most of you guys probably wouldn't even chew these fucking sausages or cut them. Just eat them fucking whole. Fuck. Make sure you drink your fucking chocolate milk. You clean off your plate like a good little boy or a girl or a Tonka truck or whatever the hell you identify as nowadays. When you're done that, you want to have a Cigrit at your back door. Doot, doot, doot. Smoking a cigarette at the back door. Yeah. Then when you're done all that fucking shit, you grab yourself a good old Molson Canadian. What fucking beer is all about. You pop that bitch open. You take a big fucking gulp. And you get ready to go watch TV. So anyway, until tomorrow, fuck off.